How to grow long, thick eyelashes and eyebrows in just 3 days. Eyelash and Eyebrow Serum. We all dream of thick and silkier eyelashes and eyebrows. You are blessed if you have them. However, for women who want to achieve longer and thicker eyelashes and eyebrows, there is a natural solution. So, instead of some artificial methods, you can use natural options for enhancing the hair on the eyebrows as well as the eyelashes. Before getting to the solution, you should know why your eyelashes and eyebrows are thinning. Some of the reasons of thinning eyelashes and eyebrows are excessive plucking, heredity, excessive waxing, poor nutrition, and some skin conditions. The following serum will help you reverse this thin hair and grow your eyelashes and eyebrows naturally. How to prepare the serum. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of castor oil clear or JBCO, 2 drops of vitamin E oil, fresh aloe vera leaf or pure aloe vera gel. Instructions: first, mix the castor oil and vitamin E oil. Then, take about 1/2 teaspoon of fresh aloe vera gel and add it to the mixture. Next, use a Q-tip to apply the mix on both eyebrows, or take some of the mixture and apply it on the eyelashes with your fingers. Massage the serum gently. Let it act for 45 minutes and rinse it off. Repeat this treatment every evening for 6 to 8 weeks. Make sure you prepare a fresh batch of serum every 2 days. Why is this serum so effective? This serum is extremely effective due to the powerful ingredients it contains. Hence, castor oil is packed with nutrients and phytochemicals, which promote hair growth. Moreover, it is rich in fatty acids and protein, which additionally contribute to hair growth. On the other hand, vitamin E oil is a great source of antioxidants, which doesn't only boost circulation, but also enhance hair texture. Furthermore, it softens the hair and makes it shinier. Last but not least, aloe vera contains important enzymes and moisturizing properties, which promote hair growth and soften the hair. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.